All code is a liability. Don't add code to your project unless the value it creates is greater than the liability it adds. Most developers think that writing more code means they're more productive. With AI in the mix, it's easier for that belief to become even more compelling than it has ever been before. The harsh reality is all code is liability, and having AI help create code faster just means that you're adding to that liability faster than ever before. Sure, AI feels like a superpower. You type a prompt, it spits out the solution. It feels incredible in the moment. The problem is that code then becomes part of your system. Now users have expectations about it, and you are responsible for its upkeep. Having more code slows you down when you want to move fast. Every line of code brings maintenance, upgrades, debugging, and the mental burden of understanding it. More code brings more bugs, more complexity, more risk. The safest and cheapest code is the code you never write. When people treat code generation as free because it feels effortless, you can generate thousands of lines of code in seconds. It is amplifying your liability. I'm not saying don't use AI to generate code. I'm saying recognize that all code is a liability. Therefore, do not add code to your project unless the value it provides is greater than the liability it incurs. When you choose to write code, make it intentional because you're paying for it in maintenance for years. Here's how to work with AI without bearing your team under accidental complexity. Treat maintenance as part of the cost before you build anything. Treat every new feature as a decision. Are you sure that code is the answer? Ask if you can solve the problem without writing code. A config change, a tool, a dependency, a library, a small process tweak might do the job instead. Keep that scope tight. AI can generate that code quickly, so stay disciplined. And skip speculative features and scale work until the pain and the need for scaling is real. Look for chances to delete code. Subtraction makes systems faster and more resilient. Less code, less bugs. AI is incredible for productivity, but it does not remove the real-world cost of software. It accelerates whatever direction you are already heading in. If you let it generate more code than you need, you create more maintenance that your team can handle. If you use it to simplify and reduce, you unlock real speed. If you want more practical tips on using AI to level up your engineering work, hit subscribe and check out the other videos in the AI-assisted software engineering playlist.